All right, welcome back to your number one program. Don't forget this na KFTV News. The K stands for Kwenadugu and the F stands for Falaba. This na you first time for watch this wonderful program. Don't forget to go over with social media platforms. We get the WhatsApp, Facebook, and the YouTube channel. Like up the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube, and be part of the WhatsApp group. As you see the link them on the screen. All right, I'm going to cover this wonderful program tonight. My name is Abdul Masage, aka DJ Durman. All right, today inside the program, I there with one young youth man. They represent Kalia Town. We go tell people adieu and introduce himself to Fambulem.
Fambulu Nadu, Mina Lahai Kuruma from Folo Sabakamba Chiefdom, Kalia to be specific.
All right, I want to welcome you once more. Today inside the program, we want to tell Fambulem because Una as a youth man in another place there, Una don't come together for put a structure when a health facility for the people in Kalia Town. Tell me about that day.
Yes, as we get from we brother, we na youth from this chiefdom ward named Folo Sabakamba, but we get this community we name Kalia, on a big community, it gets plenty catchment, and over the years them be done the struggle for health business. So we as young people, we decide for put we small resources then together for make sure say we people them. We move them from that point because this community, the big, don't get more than 6 catchment, and then they near a big community we get facility, but we then na 2 different districts. Folo Sabakamba fall na Falaba district, whilst Telea own the nearby facility to them fall na Kwenadugu district, or then they under Kamuke chiefdom. So all of the time when they try to go visit there, the record do not they under the Kalia, the Telea facility. So all of the record then they are going to turn outside for the access the medical. But all this while the distance is too far. Now 12 miles from this community to Gwentu.
Wow.
So we see and say it is necessary if we come together and give them this kind of support. So we go help for save the woman there, save the pikin them, and all of the age people.
All right, and we don't get that day as it don't tell Fambulem how the people on other side they suffer for health facility, and then as a youth man they don't come together for CC. They able put up this structure where they want for build a health facility. Tell me about this place here and which kind of structure wanna they put there. How much room wanna they make?
Well. Now, young people with mega resources will not get that much, so we decide to give them 3 rooms and some big space, or then would use for the time being. Then whilst we use all of them social media, we use the electronic media for remind people say these people and then at this part of the country they need them kind of support. So we don't start small. We ask the bigger public, we ask government intervention for camp for make sure they will support them people here.
All right. So you don't call government, you know. Let me come. Now how much on this?
Now we 6.
Okay. So you were able to call him now?
Yes, of course. Me na Lahai Kuruma one of the 6. We get Mohamed S. Kamara. We get another Mohamed Kamara. We get Sayon Kamara, who plenty people can call Tense. We get Alusain Samura and Demba Samura.
All right. So we want to say congratulations because this is a big step on they take for CC on able to save life na the inside the day. We they understand say Bele woman can get Bele for come na the other place for come born, you know, they can waste time, the road not good and all other things them, you know. So what support will I need out there to organization, government, or any person with one?
Yeah, as you rightly say, we all know that them part the day of this country, the road business is a big challenge. So you woman find yourself in that community, happen for get belle, they cover 12 miles for go get medical attention, really serious. Remember, small pikin sick, and also a big challenge. So we ask government for come in for support. 1, with the road. 2, for make sure say we get this building to the modern standard, or we go find for the people them, or then the work they done define for the community people them. So we they start now just small scale. So they ask government for come add to this we own little how they start, and the bigger community. They are me fambule. Una all una they listen to this program. Una try for support we will make sure say then people and themselves able get health facility. We will plead to everybody for come in and support we.
All right. Like what you they say now, una no more get for support this project here for make it go come true, because why make una self na the village there they need una support if una no get hands then together, how the thing go, because you self get your role for play. One get one store where they count na the site, you don't help that water way you go to get for the day you counter, you don't help. You know, this na health facility we they talk about, and when they say health na wealth. You know, for Leona as young people and come together, put this kind of structure inside Follow Samba, Cambia, way in Kalia town. You know, a big thing for people them out there. So if somebody want for contact una now, want for give una support, whose number the way you go get to now?
Well, I go read out 2 orange line. If anybody gets support, you go just try for contact this line and make sure say it reach we go try for make it reach the very people who they cater for. One of the numbers na 078 221113. For make sure say any support you get it reach we, or if you get any advice for the very project, we will also try for make it reach the people.
All right, so that now the number the way you go reach them. Well, I go come to you back. Let me watch this video, make you sabi the place, and as you see, people in the village, they're all glad for this kind big initiative where they encourage for build a health facility na Kalia town. So let me watch this video, and I will come back to you.
Me na Mohamed S. Kama, son of Follow Samba Kamba chiefdom, and we dey right now na Kalia town, where we as sons of this chiefdom, 6 of we come together and see it necessary for help with people and back home, because development and Falaba district per se is the new district. You know, we say the wait till the government in your development come. As a citizen and as a son of every place, you self just for play your part, at least we self develop young people them, than for wait for government, let government come and develop them. So 6 of we will be saying a born of this chiefdom, where some of we back now born of this Kalia town, we come together, we put up we own resources, we be say we own small resources, we be say for put up this structure with the DMO in advice for build a health center na Kalia town, because it be really challenging, especially like for Bella woman for Lego Waka, because from Kalia town for go outside the health center day is about 12 to 15 miles off from here. So in the case of a Bella woman, or possibly be say get a heart attack before they access that health center, maybe that person I would almost lost in life. And the health center will be say they near to Kalia town, when a Kamuke, when a neighboring chiefdom to we is a Kwenadogo district. So if people from Kalia town go there for go do anything there, the registration it will go add to another district to another chiefdom. Like if we, in the case of supply of tent, where then go there, they say no, we are not Kwenadogo district, and besides here na other man, here na other chiefdom. So una go na una own chiefdom, then go give una own supply there. So like they don't take them benefits, then can go to another chiefdom or another district. Wise way them for them benefits, they not benefit them. So we're looking at all these things, we see some of these challenges, and malaria per se, and some of the things we say they kill past anything. So where governments can even they share the intent there with people, especially of the Kalia town, and they need the benefits. So we look at all some of these things, we say, well, this law no wait for government. Law make a dirty block safe. Law make our plaster and fine. At least with the instruction from the DMO, at least you go for help we and then send nurse na we be say go for take care of people and we be say na bonia. As I talk to you now, today's Friday, we don't come for can lay the foundation of this Kalia project in the health center, because we want to have 3 rooms, but with the advice from the DMO, we say no, make 4 rooms. Well, for now, we don't start this thing. We ask governments, whosoever or any NGO, make them go kind of aid and modernize them more than the way how we don't propose for them. So, because we don't start something, and if we do this, at least now help to we, but we don't help the government back. We be say for push the health sector going further. So if you don't start this as a group now here, we'll be saying our sons, them 6 people, we'll be saying that we start up this thing, including the Chiefdom Youth Chairman, they part of this thing, and the council of FPS, we say we'll get your own support. Instead, they all don't put hands together for this project, it be a success story for Follow Sabah Kamba Chiefdom and to Kalia Tong to be specific.
All right, as you don't watch that video, as these now people away there in a Kalia town, and you don't see, they don't ask God for the permission for make them go able to start. So we see, then they kill sheep, or I don't know, sheep or goats.
Yes, well,
tell me about that.
Yes, after all, pass on the message to the people, say, well, let me don't they plenty. People they come, give them promise, but at the end of the day, you know, they work. So like they make prayers. Then also as community, be present 1 sheep, say low sacrifice and at the place, let God make. We all think about this kind of support for them, let God add for support we, because we have to continue for think about them. So we make sure we sacrifice at the very point as they say, then we start the process for do the layout.
Yeah, that's not the big one and at the place.
Yes.
All right, so we see when I don't come to a foundation, we want to dig the foundation now.
Yes, of course, we dig the foundation as last week, as at the present owner now, the foundation don't complete.
All right, so we want to say plenty thank you. As Naya, the program go left you now, and Mina Abdul Masage, aka DJ Dulman, are there with Mr. Lahai Koroma. We are one of the youth man them we then come together. We now then 7 or 6.
We
6 we then come together for build a health facility inside Kalia town. So till we get another program again, I want to say bye bye.